Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will be solving question number 10. Today I will be solving question number 10, which will be a simultaneous equation, and I'll be using the substitution method. So the book I'm using is this book, Cambridge IGCSE and O-Level Additional Maths Coursebook. Question number 10, exercise number 2.1. So let's begin. So the question is y is equal to 2x and x squared plus xy is equal to 3. So it's already ready made that 2x is equal to y. Y is already made the subject, so we're going to put the value of 2x in the place of y in the other equation. X squared plus x in place of y we have 2x is equal to 3. X squared plus 2x squared is equal to 3. You will see soon that I am not shifting 3 to the other side. That's because I will already have to redo this step. So 3x squared is equal to 3. X squared is equal to 3 upon 3. So if I was shifting 3 to this end, I'd have to shift 3 back here. So there was no point. So I just left it on the other side of the equation all the way. So here it's multiplying with x squared. It's going to divide. So x squared is equal to 1. We're going to take the under root of x. So it's going to be x squared. We're going to take under root on both sides. X squared is equal to under root of 1. So on this side, under root will be cancelled by root squared. X equal to 1 because the under root of 1 is 1. Now, since you put an under root in both of in the equation, we're going to add a plus and a minus, which means that the answer is x plus 1 and x minus 1. A simpler way, a more complicated way of writing this is x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 1. Now we're going to separate the equation y is equal to 2 into 1 because here it says y is equal to 2x and we found the value of x. Y is equal to 2. 1 comma 2. Over here we have y is equal to 2 into minus 1. Y is equal to minus 2. And then the answer is minus 1 comma minus 2. So this is how you solve question number 10 from exercise 2.1. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you found this video informative. Share it with friends and colleagues who are struggling with this or want to improve. And I'll see you guys in the next video chat. Thank you.